Systemd replaced the old AT&T and BSD init systems around 2010. If you were a Linux user prior to 2010, you probably are familiar with the service command. The replacement for the service command is the SystemCTL command, which we will learn more about today. SystemCTL is a little bit different from the service command. What you do is you type SystemCTL, then the options, and then the service name. What is nice is you can use pattern matching to use wildcards, for example, SSH asterisk, to find the exact service name. The third bullet on the slide shows the status command. What you would do is type systemctl status, then the service name, and this command will then return the status of a particular unit. In systemctl, services or daemons are referred to as units. Next up is the systemctl is active and systemctl is failed. Both these commands will return the status of the service in a one-line output. Systemctl show will show all the properties of a particular service, and then systemctl list dependencies will show all the dependencies that a service requires to function. Now let's get to the heart of the matter, which you're here to learn how to start and stop and restart services. Systemctl start and then the pattern will start a service. As you can see, I'm using a modem service. Systemctl stop and pattern will stop a service. Systemctl reload will reload the configuration. Systemctl restart will stop and then restart a service. And then finally, systemctl kill will kill off the service. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. If you like this video, please be sure to like and share it with your friends. I will be back tomorrow with a new command. See you then.